BioSecurity, protecting our farms. The poultry industry has successfully developed and adopted several biosecurity procedures and technologies in recent years, largely focusing on human activity. But there are many other ways pathogens can reach a farm. Wildlife, from large scavengers to small insects, also have the potential to spread disease. This brief video explains two potential disease transmission methods and how they can be avoided. Wildlife to farm. 1. Several migratory birds, including ducks, geese, and swans, can serve as carriers for a variety of diseases. 2. Waterfowl often congregate at lakes, streams, and other bodies of water, including the increasing number of stormwater retention ponds. 3. While there, the birds shed the disease in their feces, contaminating the waterways and surrounding banks. 4. Local animals, including raccoons, foxes, and vultures, then come into contact with the disease as they visit the same waterways for drinking or bathing. 5. The animals then travel to the composting sheds of nearby farms looking for food. While there, they can transmit the disease mechanically via their fur, feathers, or feet, or biologically via their feces or saliva. 6. Once introduced to the farm, the disease then spreads to the poultry houses through animal, fly, or human activity on the farm. This chain of events leading to infection can be prevented, however, simply by removing the food source. Instead of composting, dispose of routine mortality in sealed freezer collection units. This will significantly reduce the number of animals and flies on the farm, thereby reducing the risk of transmission. A custom collection vehicle arrives between broiler flocks to empty the routine mortality so the units are ready for the next flock. There is a second potential transmission pathway that can be eliminated through the use of freezer collection units. Farm to farm. 1. At Farm A, chickens begin dying from an infection, but the infection is not detected for several days. 2. During that time, dozens of diseased birds are taken to the composting shed for routine disposal. 3. Carcass composting attracts flies that can spread infection to other houses on Farm A and nearby farms. 4. Wild animals such as vultures, foxes, and raccoons visit the composting shed nightly for food. 5. Those same animals then carry the virus miles away as they visit nearby waterways or other farms, like Farm C, for food. This outbreak might have been limited to one farm had the animals and flies been denied access to the carcasses of the infected dead birds. Disposal of routine mortality in sealed freezer collection units can significantly reduce the number of animals and flies on the farm, as well as the risk of a wider outbreak. In other words, had Farm A been using freezer collection units instead of composting, Farm C may have been spared. For more information about freezer collection units or other biosecurity best practices, visit www.farmfreezers.com or contact your state's Department of Agriculture. Thank you.